Welcome everybody. Today we see awareness and access in NTLI. National Digital Library of India is now open to all of enabled study at home. It is free of cost study material in all learners. The website of the National Digital Library of India reads COVID-19 lockdown not to affect your study. Study through National Digital Library of India. NTLI is a virtual world full of books and resources in digitalized formats. NTLI is easy to use and any resource can be accessed here with a single search option. National Digital Library is the Ministry of Human Resource Development sponsored and is hosted by IIT Kharagpur. And free login ntl.iitkgp.ac.in. The library is beneficial to students of all levels, teachers, researchers, librarians, library users, professionals, and all other lifelong learners. Here, given the direct link for resources that are available at NTLI for students of different levels: school, diploma, UG engineering, UG science, UG other disciplines, language, management, and law. NTLI resource for school students. The following resources are available at video lectures, JW preparation materials, books from CBSE, NCERT, and other state boards. And next resource for diploma UG engineering students. Common subject: aerospace engineering, architectural, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, and all others. And next one is UG science students and other UG students. And resource for language students, and also resource for management students and law students. To help students to continue their studies in COVID-19 lockdown period in National Digital Library of India. This library the source that belong to every Indian learner. Let us show you how to use it. www.ntl.gov.in on any browser. Once the page now, take the moments and observe on the options at your fingertip. About NTL India, it gives the highlights of NTL all about. Learning resource type. Very types of contents available in NTLI. Subject domain cover all the subject available in NTLI. And featured source some of the important source for NTLI. News and events bring you up to date with all the recent news, events, workshops, and other activities run NTLI. Now registration started. Hold the handle can view the platform, but you cannot access without registration. You only need your email address to register. Input your information in all the required fields and submit. Next, find the validation link sent to your inbox. Verify your account and get ready to learn, chat and go. Remember, but you need to be signed your account and access NTLI contents. On unlikely events that should do not receive the verification mail sent by NTLI, click on Account Recovery button. Typing a email ID and submit. You will get fresh validation link in your mailbox. Please click on the link and validate and you will be expert NTLI. NTLI interface can be accessed English, Hindi and all other languages. Currently, English, Hindi and Bengali. As source of National Digital Library of India. Next, how do you look learning resource at NTLI? NTLI easy to use at search box that designed to bring you what you need. The type an example, the type mechanism, the search box and look the results. NTLI such a flexible search engine. You can use range of different filter focus of search results. First we see access restriction. 5 icons that appear that to help you understand can accessibility of the content. Known as licensing icon, the orange lock means that full text is available to the institution that has subscribed the source. Green open lock mean this content open and free, and red color lock mean that it is not, and NTLI icon means this content under national licensing and free use. The sealed notes limited access subject to authorization from the source. Now click and open NTLI. There you go, search and filter according to access restriction. If you want to you search further level, educational level and select according to fresh one. For example, UG and PG. There you are. The search result have been filtered according to your educational level. There are very kind of resource you can find National Digital Library of India. Thank you.